Go, Shant. Zan. Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. I'm going to do a quick video today. This right here is my rhubarb plant. I bought two. One was right here and the other one right here. They were Victoria variety, red. This was beautiful red color, and this never became red. This is actually a green variety, so they mislabeled this rhubarb long ago. But the red variety died off. It never, once the summer heat came, it couldn't last. It just tried to throw out new leaves and it would die. Throw out new leaves and they would die. But the green variety survived and kept pushing new leaves and not really dying off as much as the red one did with the summer heat. So I'm glad that they mislabeled, or I would have lost both plants. But I'm going to show you something interesting. These leaves are growing like crazy, and all of a sudden they stopped. As you can see, they're a light green instead of a dark green. And then I just decided to walk around and just take a closer look at the plant, and then I found out why. So as you can see right here, the rhubarb has started to set flower. I don't need to propagate this by seed, nor do I know if it's successful to propagate by seed. I rather just break off the crown or make stem cuttings out of it, if that's possible, and propagate that way if I choose to. I don't think I need to do that much rhubarb. But a really pretty flower set, huh? But it's going to come off today. So if you have rhubarb and you're wondering why the plants aren't growing as much, check to see if you could see a flower cluster in that mass of leaves that it makes. Alright everyone, happy gardening. Bye.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone.